In this video, I want to talk about the stack and subroutines. So remember when we did branches and loops? Well, doing a subroutine or calling a subroutine is kind of similar to the branch instruction, but it's not the same thing. So the branch or the subroutine command would be BSR, branch to subroutine, and you would have some, whatever your subroutine is called, some label after that. Let's just call it S. And then you would have your subroutine somewhere after that, like this, and then your subroutine does something. We're not going to do anything right now. I'm just going to put a no operation instruction there, and then we need to return back. We need to return back to where we were called from. Okay, so let's run this. And let's go to this location because since we're using subroutines, we're going to also be using the stack, because whenever you call a subroutine, you have to have a return value pushed onto the stack so that when you're done with your subroutine, your program knows where to return back to, if that makes sense. So let's step through. Okay, so when I step through this command, it's going to load the return address onto the stack. And the stack is pointing to this location, so the return address is going to be pushed over here. And the return address is 2 bytes long. So there it is. And then we're just not going to do anything. And then once we return back to where we came from, this return address that was pushed onto the stack is going to be pulled off the stack. So, yep, that's basically a subroutine.